Body is immersed in the liquid. The liquid weight is W. Acceleration is in upward direction. The downward force activated in downward direction. When a thread is connected, thread has some tensional force. The tensional force is in downward direction. The upthrust activated in upward direction. So FB minus W minus T minus F. W minus T minus is equal to F. So FB is equal to M into A plus G minus Mg minus T is equal to Ma. M means V into FB force is in upward direction. So the density of the liquid A plus G is equal to minus M into A plus G. A plus G. Minus Mg minus T is equal to Ma. V means V is equal to D is equal to M by V. Vd is equal to M. V is equal to M by D. M by D into density of water into A plus G is equal to Ma plus Mg plus T. M value 2 kgs. Density of substance value enta 0.5 into 1000 into A plus G 12. G value 10, A value 2. MA ante 2 into 2 4 plus Mg 2 into 10 20 plus T. 1000 cancel. 50 by 20 by 5 into 12 is equal to 24 plus T. 5 4s are 48 minus 24 is equal to T. T is equal to 24 Newton. So option is first one is correct. First one is correct. And another second one, F is equal to when thread snaps and T is equal to 0. Thread snaps, T is equal to 0. FB minus W is equal to F. FB minus W is equal to F. I think acceleration is in upward direction. F is equal to Ma. A is equal to F by M. And what is the value of F? 24 Newton by M 12 meter per second square. 12 meter per second square. So the options are in 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Next, fifth question, sixth question. Comprehensive. Fourth, comprehension. Fourth Roman. A block of mass 1 kg and density 0.8 gram per centimeter cube is held stationary with the help of a string as shown in the figure. Mass M is equal to 1 kg. Density of substance is equal to 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. Held stationary with the help of a string as shown in the figure. The tank is accelerating vertically upwards. A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Density of substance అంటే 0.8 into kilogram by kilogram into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So 8 by 10 into 1000 into 10 power minus 6 into 8 by 10. 8 by 10 power minus 2 అంటే 800 kilogram per meter cube. 800 kilogram per meter cube. కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి? అప్ థ్రస్ట్ U is equal to FB is equal to what is the value? FB is equal to M into G plus A. మనకి తెలుసున్నది ఏంటి? FB is equal to M into G plus A. అది అప్ థ్రస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్. What is the value? V rho into A plus G. V rho into A plus G. Volume. Vs into rho W into A plus G. Solid. Solid. W. Density of water in the 1000 into A. What is the value of A? 1 plus 10 into Vs. Density of M is equal to, density is equal to mass per volume. Volume is equal to mass per density. Mass value 1 kg. 1 by density value, density of the substance enta 800 G. So 10 by 8 into 11. 110 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 30. 8 threes are 24. 6. 8 sevens are 56. 13.75 Newton. Up thrust is equal to. Next, 7th. The tension in the string is anaduthunaru. The tension in the string. Then tensional force is in this direction, weight is in this direction, MA is in this direction. So T plus W plus MA is equal to FB. Is equal to F. So what FB? So what T plus W mg plus ma is equal to, what is the value of FB? 13.75. T plus m value 1 into 10 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 13.75. T is equal to 13.75. 10 plus 1, 11. Minus 11. 2.75. Tensional force. 2.75 Newton. Next, another one. 8th. The string is in now cut. if the string is now cut, find the acceleration of the block అని అడుగుతున్నారు. So T is equal to 0. W plus MA is equal to FB. M into A plus T is equal to FB. ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి? యాక్సలరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది బ్లాక్. mg minus fb is equal to ma. A is equal to mg minus fb by m. mg అంటే 10 minus fb value 13.75. F minus W by M. T is equal to 0. A is equal to F minus W by M. F అంటే 13.75 minus mg. M అంటే 1, g value 10. 10 by m value 1 అంటే 3.75 meter per second square. 3.75 meter per second square. Next another one, 11th question. Fb is equal to m into g plus a. Mass is equal to Vs into rho W into a plus g. V is equal to m by rho. Substitute chesanu 13.75. Next 7th one, T plus W tension T. T plus W plus MA is equal to FB. FB value 13.75 minus 75. A tension is equal to 0. F minus W is equal to MA. So A is equal to F minus W by M. Calculate cheste. Next another. The tension in a string holding a solid block below the surface of a liquid or density is greater than that of the solid. Density is greater than that of the solid as shown in the figure T0 when the system is at rest అని అడుగుతున్నారు. So block తీసుకున్నప్పుడు when we take a block, the upthrust is activated in this direction and a buoyant force is in upward direction and weight is in W. And the string is activated. When the string is activated, so F is equal to string F is equal to T0 plus W. Rest లో ఉన్నప్పుడు అక్కడ మనకి ఏమని ఇచ్చారు T0. When accelerating in the body is accelerated in upward direction, A acceleration. అప్పుడేం జరుగుతుంది? Weight is depend and force MA is in this direction. F is equal to T plus W plus MA. T plus mg plus ma. mg plus ma. F dash is the accelerating force, buoyant force. Is the rest position buoyant force. Okay. F prime is equal to T plus mg plus ma. మనకు ఆల్రెడీ బయాన్ ఫోర్స్ అంటే FB is equal to తెలుసున్న ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, m into g plus a. g తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి డివైడ్ చేయండి. mg into g plus a అంటే f into g plus a by g. f into g plus a by g. F prime is equal to ఆల్రెడీ మనకి తెలిసిన బయాన్ ఫోర్స్ కి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, యాక్సిలరేషన్ జరిగితే F prime is equal to m into g plus a. సో F into g plus a by g is equal to T plus mg plus ma. What is the F value? T naught plus W into a plus g by g is equal to T plus m into mg plus ma. T naught plus W into 1 plus a by g. g తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే g by g 1 plus a by g. T plus mg plus ma. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయండి. T naught plus W plus T naught into a by g plus W value mg into a by g is equal to T plus mg plus ma. W means mg. mg plus mg minus mg plus ma minus ma cancel అయిపోయింది. T naught into T naught plus T naught into a by g is equal to T. So T naught into 1 plus a by g is equal to T. T is equal to T naught into 1 plus a by g. Option 2 is correct. Next another question. A water tank near the earth's surface is accelerated upward at constant rate of 5g. Specific gravity of aluminum is equal to 2.65 అని ఇచ్చారు. So acceleration is in 5g. Aluminum and the charge specific gravity 2.65. Weight mg, buoyant force F minus mg is equal to acceleration upward direction ma. F is equal to ma plus mg. What is the mass? 1 k buoyant, ఇక్కడ చాయిస్ లో ఇచ్చారు buoyant force acting on a 1 kg element. 1 kg తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 1 into a plus 5g 5g plus a అంటే 5g g 6g 6 into g value 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 58.8 newtons. 58.8 newtons. Next, another choice. Multi correct choice type idi. Next, second option, the weight of a piece of aluminium having the same volume as 1 kg of water is 25.97 Newton. If the tank is accelerated up, then the aluminium float in this tank. So W is equal to mg. Formula. So weight of aluminium is in the same volume. So W is equal to mg.